In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily create and incorporate voiceovers into your Canva presentations. Voiceovers can add a personal touch to your projects, making them engaging and informative. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. Firstly, you'll want to open Canva and prepare the project you'll be working on. Make sure all your slides are created and arranged as you envision them. Having everything set in advance allows for a smoother recording process and ensures your voiceover flows seamlessly through your presentation. Once your project is ready and your slides are appropriately lined up, start with your first slide. This is where you'll begin recording. Look towards the upload section on the left sidebar, the spot where you can manage images, videos, and more. Here, you'll find an option to record yourself. Click on the Record Yourself feature. Be aware that this process might take a few moments to initiate, so don't worry if there's a brief delay. Patience is key here. After the initial setup, you'll be redirected to the recording interface. Here, you'll see a settings icon. It's crucial to click on that settings icon before you begin. Within settings, ensure that your microphone is enabled. This step is essential because, without it, your voiceover will not record. Now, when you feel prepared and composed, go ahead and press the record button. This is your moment to bring your presentation to life. Speak clearly and confidently, conveying your message with enthusiasm and clarity. Once you have finished delivering your voiceover for the current slide, all you need to do is click the Done button. This action saves your recording and readies it for playback or further editing if needed. Finally, proceed to your subsequent slide and repeat the recording process. Click on the next slide, set up your microphone if needed, and hit record when ready. Continue this process until all your slides have accompanying voiceovers. And there you have it, a straightforward method on using Canva to add a personalized touch to your projects through voiceovers. Experiment with different tones, paces, and styles to see what best engages your audience. With these steps, you'll be creating dynamic and captivating presentations in no time. Happy creating!